altars in your life. When the altar is repaired, the fire will fall. And I'm going to show you the second thing that will fall. That Elijah said to Ahab, get me up, eat and drink, for I hear a sound. Somebody, I came with an announcement to you that the rain is about to fall in your life. The fire has fallen, but now there's rain coming. The rain of blessing, the showers of blessing, the rain of healing, the rain of deliverance. Receive the rain in your life. For there is a sound of abundance. Anytime God is about to rain in your life, He will send a voice to you. Continue for me, listen to
So Ahab went out.
So Ahab went out
to eat and
to eat because he had heard from the prophet of God.
Elijah went out.
Then Elijah went out
to the top of Carmel,
to the top of Mount Carmel,
and he cast himself
on the ground
and put his face between
and
his
put
knees
his face between his knees, a position of discomfort.
and said to
Listen,
himself,
if you want your prophecy to come to pass, it must cost you something. Your comfort. Your comfort. You want to move forward in life, leave your comfort zone. Some of you are too comfortable at one stage. God is about to raise you up to a next level. Continue for me. Listen.
and said to his
And said to his servant Gehazi,
go up now,
go up now,
look
towards the sea.
and he went up
And he went up and looked
and said,
there
is nothing.
there's nothing.
And he said,
Go
again.
No, he said, give up.
Go again.
No, give up.
No, go again.
No, he told him to quit.
He said, go again.
He said, what? Say we never do it again. Say we never pray again. It is not time to give up. It is time to seek God again. It is time to call on the Lord again. He shall call unto me, and I will answer you. I will show you great and mighty things. Which thou hast not seen. There is fire in your life today. The rain is about to fall. Receive double promotion. Receive double blessing. The Lord said to me, you shall be 10 times better. I said you shall be 10 times better. Take a stand for Christ. Stand for Jesus. Stand for the gospel. Stand for the things of God. You can never be put to shame. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, the two can stand. Daniel two can stand. They refuse to eat the portion of the king's food. They ate the vegetable. After 10 days, they look fresher. They look more anointed. They look more glorious. I speak about your life. Within the next 10 days, you will look fresher. Within the next 10 days, you will look more glorious. I hear a sound. I hear a sound of abundance. Financial abundance. In the name of Jesus, you shall have the peace of God.